We are here at Velocity Power Sports. Picked up our Apex. We're gonna do the walk around because anytime you buy a new ski, I see a lot of guys on the group that get home and they find damage. It's kind of your fault because you spend $20,000, $30,000, $10,000, whatever you want. You gotta look at your stuff. So go underneath, look at it. You see that right there? All that is just dust. So you need to verify that type of stuff. Make sure there's no scratches, no anything. We signed to walk around and it's ready to go. And everything here that looks like a scratch is dust. So we're good. So you want to look for super scratches on the top, on the bottom, everywhere. So the Bishop, all good. And you just want to make a walk around. This is the one that's going to get the titanium exhaust with the center fire titanium and the titanium water box. Don't mind, there's a tractor right there. But as you see, everything I see is just watermarks from being rain, dust. Got what I thought was a scratch. I was about to go off for a second, but it's dust again. So it just needs a good wipe down. And a good time to put ceramic coat on this is before it gets in the water. So we're gonna take this thing, ceramic coated with the WJP products, with the jet ceramic. We're gonna get it all decontaminated, wipe it down real good, ceramic coated so this lasts good for a long time, and get the cutting on it. So $25,000, I'm gonna put holes in it, ram air, upgrade the system, titanium water box, titanium center fire exhaust. We're gonna ride this baby and pump her up to 90. Who cares about the warranty when it's time to have fun? These are luxury items. So this has been Cowboy B. And remember, always check before you leave the dealership. You find damage, tell them there. Because when you go home, they'll blame it on something else. They do anything, you never know whose fault it is. But it's easier to get things done when you're at the dealership. Always look. Always look. Get underneath. Get your lazy ass out. Get all the way under there. Look at everything. You spent this much money, protect your investment. So this has been Cowboy B with another great video, and we're happy to get our Apex. And you never know, this might be given away. So stay tuned, keep supporting WetJet, and we're gonna show you all the WetJet products on here, the ceramic coat.